Hello, my name is Tanzania and welcome to NiasNails. Here's my unboxing for JC Beauty Concept. So I already threw the box away because I don't like clutter, and I believe I placed my order on the 11th and then I received it by the 16th. And this is like during pandemic holiday time. So got it at a really good time. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the acrylic monomer. So this is the monomer that I received. This is an 8 ounce, I believe. And for this monomer, it came to $18.95, and I paid a total of $16.11 for it. And I'll tell you why after I finish going through all the products. So I haven't tried it out yet, but I will. I also don't want to open up my monomer until I finish my Mia Secret monomer, since there's not that much left. Like, it's monomer, like I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal or a difference in like how the acrylic lays. Something else that I received from JC Beauty was what I purchased was these acrylic sets. So the collection. So this one is the Mosaic acrylic powder collection, and I only brought one of these. It's priced at $22.99. I only paid $19.54 for it. One thing for some reason, maybe I didn't just read the weight or the description on like how much is going to come, but like compared to like, these are the Mia Secrets, and I know I paid like almost $30 for these, for all 4 of those. And you get more product with the Mia Secret. I feel like these are like I said, these were the 1 ounce. These are ½ an ounce, and they're really small. I haven't opened them up or used them yet, but they're like really small. So, but the colors look like they're really pretty, so I'm excited to try these out. So that was this. And also what I also have is the one in pastel. These pastel colors are so pretty, and I'm so excited. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but like these pastels are so pretty. I know it's the winter, but like, sis, you can't go wrong with a freaking pastel. Like, I'm so excited to try these out. So this also ran me $22, and then I paid, how much did I pay for these? $19.54. Just like the other collection, the Mosaic collection. So let's see. This is the JC Beauty brush cleaner, and I paid $8 for the brush cleaner. And I will be using this brush cleaner. If you watch my what's in my nail bag video, basically you would be able to know that brushes get dirty. My brushes, I haven't opened up my new brush yet, which is from Not Polish. I used like I said, I used V Nailed It. That's her YouTube, her code to get this brush. I seen her use it, and I got it from the same place that she got it from, basically. But yeah, and that's a size 16 brush. So I will be definitely using this brush cleaner. I will be using this brush cleaner, okay? Because like I mentioned in the first video, is that my current brush that I've been using needs it. It's pretty dirty. It's pretty clumped up, I should say. So let's see, what else did I get from there? I also, as mentioned before, I got this, I can open up this, it's just top coat. This is the No Cleanse top coat by JC Beauty. You see that? Yep. Their packaging is really nice too. I enjoy it. I think it's cute. I paid, so it retails for $12.95. I paid $11.01 for it. And this is their top coat. Let's see. And then also, I have these 2 acrylic powders that I got on my own. These are acrylic and dip powders. And this one right here this is what it looks like. And I believe this one's a 1 ouncer. Yeah, I believe this is 1 ounce because this is not the ½ ounce. So like I said, this is a 1 ounce with Mia Secret, and this is the 1 ounce with JC Beauty. So this one cost $9.99, and it retails, oh sorry, I'm trying to get good lighting so you can see. This has like glitter in it, so this has glitter in it, but it retails, I paid it for $9.99. I paid $8.49 for it. And then this one right here is called Bashful, and it's like a really pretty pink, like so this one right here I paid, so it retails for $6.95. I paid $5.91 for it. Just went through everything that I bought. So basically why I got a discount price off, because I do watch Natalie Camarona's videos, and basically she has a code, and I used her code GetNail32, and it saved me $14.22. So all of it came to around like over $100. After I used her discount, it dropped it to $89.59 plus, and then on top of that, shipping was $7.99, which made it a total of $97.58 USD dollars. And like I said, it saved me $14.22. Also on December 11th of 2020, I received it by December 16th of 2020. So the shipping was great. I was really excited when I received it. Also I know this is not in regards to JC Beauty Concepts, I wanted to buy a brush for them as well, but they didn't have any brushes in stock, so I don't know. They only had like the 3D brush in stock, I believe. But this not polish brush or whatever, I ordered it the same day I received it, like this past Monday. So like it took a little bit longer for me to receive this, but this came USPS mail, which that is the service that's moving the slowest during this time. With JC Beauty Concept, what came, the shipping that they used, I believe, was UPS. It was either UPS or FedEx. Sorry. But it came in great time, so I definitely recommend them in regards to shipping and stuff like that. I was just really taken back. I was just like, I was looking at those little these little 5.5 ounce acrylics, and I was just like, oh, they're so tiny, so small. Like I was expecting them to be bigger. But one thing I am learning about you know, acrylic colors, I don't think they come that big in size. So like and also when I also went back to the website to see like, oh, maybe I could have like upped up the ounce size, but they didn't have that option for the collections. I'm not 100% sure for like the individual powders that I had got as well. But I'm gonna try them out and use them still. Like, you know, I know that you usually typically use acrylic colors just for color and not for thickness, so that's what I'll use it as. And I'm just practicing and learning, so once I actually like build my clients and, you know, start making more money off of that, I can probably get, you know, more stuff. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to yeah, subscribe, share this video. You know, thank you so much for supporting me. Again, this is NiasNails.